Okay, what we're seeing here is what to do if we've got these inequalities is what we call these, and what the first thing you're asked to do is to show these on a number line. So basically what we're doing, x is greater than 1, x is greater than or equal to 3, x is equal to or less than 4, x is between 3 and 5, x is between -1 and -3, and 3, but it doesn't include those two numbers. X, and then here we've got a combination. We're saying x is between -5 and -1. It can be 5 because less than or equal to, because of that there. So what we're saying, so to do this, what we do, just draw a line, and we're just going to put some numbers there, 0, 1, 2, 3, and all we do is saying this, x is greater than 1. So we're going to start with, because it is greater than, we have an open circle, and we just draw a line that goes on forever. In this case, x is equal to or greater than 3. We'll just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't matter what your number line looks like, as long as you've got something. What we'll do, we'll start at 3, but because it is equal to or greater than, we have a closed circle, and then it goes on forever. If we've got something like this, x is less than or equal to 4, we can have, say, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We start at 4, closed circle because it's equal to or less than, and we go to the left. Okay, now for these ones, a little bit different. We're saying x is between 3 and 5. So we'll have a number line, say number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you just scope the numbers. And then at 3, we have a closed circle. At 5, we have a closed circle. And we draw the lines together. Closed circle because it is that there. Over here, we can have between -1 and 3. So draw that across. We'll say -2, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here, -1, open circle, 3, open circle, and a line between the two. So this tells us that it is equal to, somewhere between -1 and 3, but it doesn't include -1 or -3. So it's at -0.9999999 and 2.9999999. It's very close to those numbers, but it's not there. Okay, and then like I said, here we have a combination. So we're saying x is equal to or less than x is somewhere between -5 and -1, and it can include -5 because it is less than or equal to there. So 2, 3, oops. So let's put in some number line, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0. So at 5 we have a closed circle, at 1 we have an open circle, and we're just drawing them with a line. Now this is one type of notation. There is another notation as well. We could say that this first one, x is greater than 1, we can write this as being 1, comma, infinity. So this is a different type of notation. This over here, that tells us from 1 to infinity, and in all the numbers except for 1 infinity. This one over here will be 3 and infinity. We've always got a round bracket if it's infinity, and then it's a square bracket because it's equal to or greater than. So it tells us between 3 and infinity. Over here, for less than or equal to 4, we would say negative infinity, that's where it's going, all the way out to 4. For this one, we have a square bracket for 3 and a square bracket for 5. Over here, we'll have rounded brackets, -1 and 3. And our last one, we'll have a square bracket for 5, comma, -1 round bracket. You don't have to know that for this point, but it will come up in the future, just so you've got that information.